Welcome back to Artificial Equity, the channel where the code meets the concrete. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because every week we uncover how AI is changing the way America buys, sells, and values property. Today, we're going to the Midwest, to the state of Illinois, where 10 cities are quietly building the next generation of real estate through artificial intelligence. From Chicago's predictive zoning engines to small-town valuation bots, Illinois is becoming one of the most data-driven real estate ecosystems in the country. This is Top 10 Illinois Cities Using AI in Real Estate. The goal isn't just to show who's using AI, it's to understand what that means for housing, for value, and for control. Chicago isn't just Illinois' biggest city. It's its most intelligent. The city's Department of Innovation and Technology runs predictive models that forecast housing demand street by street. AI tools analyze everything from rideshare data to weather patterns, determining which neighborhoods are about to rise. Real estate firms now plug directly into those systems. A platform called Regrid AI integrates zoning, construction permits, and MLS data to predict the next 12 months of neighborhood growth. Investors use it to buy early. Developers use it to plan. But residents, they're starting to wonder whether the neural grid knows more about their future than they do. When a block becomes hot, it isn't just discovered, it's declared. And once the algorithm declares it, prices follow. In the suburbs west of Chicago, Naperville is testing what may be the first fully automated real estate agent. A startup named PropMind manages listings, negotiates offers, and even schedules inspections, all through AI conversation. It learns each buyer's decision style and adapts its tone accordingly. Human agents are still part of the process, but mostly for compliance and signatures. The rest, persuasion, pricing, and follow-up, is machine optimized. What used to take 30 emails and 2 weeks now happens in minutes. PropMind isn't just efficient, it's persuasive. Its scripts are trained on over 1 million past negotiations. It knows when to sound patient, when to sound urgent, and when silence itself closes the deal. For sellers, that's convenience. For agents, that's an extinction event waiting to happen. Illinois' capital city, Springfield, has turned its entire planning department into a data lab. AI models simulate future population movement and tax revenue in real time. The city's real estate market now runs on predictive capital, investment-based not on what exists, but on what's expected. Developers submit proposals into a simulation called CivicLens, which scores each project on sustainability, profit, and projected social impact. In theory, that's transparency. In practice, it's control, because whoever owns the scoring model owns the future of construction. When CivicLens downranks a project, funding disappears. When it approves one, investors swarm. Springfield's skyline isn't shaped by cranes anymore. It's shaped by confidence in code. North and west of Chicago, cities like Rockford and Peoria are using AI for a different reason: to catch up. Decades of manufacturing loss left neighborhoods hollow. Now, AI is being used to predict which blocks can be revived and which are statistically doomed. The program, called RebuildNet, analyzes vacancy rates, repair permits, and even local crime reports to determine reinvestment zones. To city leaders, it's a lifeline. To residents, it's a label that can define destiny. Once a neighborhood gets tagged as non-viable, funding vanishes. The algorithm decides who deserves a second chance. But not all AI use is bleak. In Peoria, drone-based valuation bots map roof conditions for insurance and lending, cutting claim fraud by 70%. the question becomes, can AI fix inequality or just quantify it? In Champaign and Evanston, universities partner with AI startups to build property data labs. Their models focus on predicting student housing demand and urban sprawl around campuses. In Aurora, predictive policing and zoning AIs merge, creating smart city overlays that connect traffic, schools, and home value in one continuous data loop. Joliet experiments with blockchain-backed deeds and AI appraisal engines that eliminate human underwriters. Illinois may be building the blueprint for how the nation's housing market will evolve, one city, one algorithm at a time. But every prediction still depends on something no machine can model, the human equation. Because homes aren't just assets, they're memories. And while data can tell us where to build, it can't tell us why we stay. You've been watching Artificial Equity, where the code meets the concrete. Subscribe for more episodes as we continue tracking the rise of AI in real estate across America. Thank you. Goodbye for now.